Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The integration of y to the power of 3 dy in here. We will have about, we put s in here. The integration of y to the power of 3, we have y to the power of 4 over 4. And then we put the bounds from 0 to 2s. Next, I will put 2s gone here, number 0 gone here. Now if we simplify and we got like this. So this one we have 16s to the power of 4. Number 16 divided by 4, we have number 4. So I will put number 4 gone here. And this one we have s to the power of 5. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 6 over 6. And then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. We calculate about this one. And we got about 42. This is the end. Thank you for watching.